Animas Jaguar Warrior, Azteca dancers. We're local. I graduated from Los Animas High School, and all the dancers that we have, a lot of them graduated from Los Animas High School, and we have a few from Denver and one from Rocky Ford. So we do the native dances of Mexico, specifically the Azteca dances, and in the Azteca language they call them the Mexica. That's where the word Mexican comes from, Mexica. So back when I was in school, nobody wanted to emphasize their native heritage. There are over 50 tribes in Mexico, over 60 tribes in the U.S. So we do the native dances specifically in Mexico City called the Mexica. And a lot of Chicanos in the 70s, they started learning their native heritage. And I learned these dances from Dr. Gonzalez. She was at the Fort Lion. She was from Mexico City. And I have a lot of her regalia, the shields and headdresses. So she had been doing this since she was a little girl. And she spoke her native language. And her kids were always dancing in the parade. And they invited me and I learned it. And we've been doing it since the 70s. So we want to thank everybody for welcoming us here. We are the Los Animas Jaguar Warriors. Our first dance is to honor Mother Earth. So please keep in mind, throw your trash in the proper receptacle. We do not want any trash. We want a clean Los Animas, a clean USA. So please, we're pretty good. Our country's good at keeping clean. But when sometimes you go to other countries, there's trash all over. You won't believe it. Thank you very much for having us.
You know what I saw she built in
unseen, it means my little mother.
That'll probably be a lot.
Hold it off until our festival is finished. Yeah, we need rain to water the plant. So this is the dance of the rain spirit. Milo. to honor the original natives of the very ground that we're standing on. Does anybody know what tribe was here before they got relocated to Oklahoma and to Montana? Anybody know the original natives that were in Los Animas? If you went to Sand Creek, the national park, you would know. Somebody knows. Who were the original natives here? Somebody knows? They were the Cheyenne and the Arapaho. Before they got relocated and put on reservations. The Cheyenne Reservation is in El Reno, Oklahoma, and also in Lame Deer, Montana. We got the Northern Cheyenne and the Southern Cheyenne. They were separated. And then we have the Arapaho in Wyoming. They were their allies. They don't speak the same language, but they came and they supported the Cheyenne. So the original tribes throughout the Arkansas Valley were the Cheyenne and the Arapaho. But before them were the Comanche and the Apache and the Kiowa. All of those tribes were here. So they're not dead. They're still alive and well. They do their dances. They have their culture. They speak their language. This next dance is to honor all the original natives that were here. And our language is Aguila Blanca, the White Eagle dance, or Kowili. Okay. Where's my candy man at? Well, he went really far. He's supposed to be over there. Closing up our dance circle, and we're almost done. One more dance after this. You're welcome to come and join us if you want to come and try to learn some of the steps. And 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3. And 1 and 2. We'll do a procession. Follow me. Close our circle. We honor the north, the south, the east, and the west. The 4 cardinal directions. To the north. To the south. Okay, that is yours. Thank you for observing our performance. We're always happy to perform for our hometown, Los Animas, Colorado. In the old days, they said, best little city by a damn sight. Thank you. Enjoy Santa Fe Trail Day. Please pick up your trash.